Next, two persons are a meters apart and the height of one is double that of the other. Okay. If from the middle point of the line joining their feet, an observer finds an angular elevation of their tops to be complementary, then the height of the shorter person is, see this, these are the two persons, one is this h, second is this 2h, right? There is one observer over here. See here, don't consider his height is 0. Okay, he observes angle theta to the top of h, and complementary means if this is theta, the other will be 90 minus theta, because complementary means what? A plus b equals to 90, so other will be 90 minus theta. So he observes the head of other at 90 minus theta. You know this is a. Now this is h, this is 2h. Now what we want? Height of the shorter person is, we want the value of h in terms of a and theta. Okay, see this, complementary angles theta and 90 minus theta. Therefore tan theta into tan of 90 minus theta equals to 1. Do you know this? What is this? Tan theta into tan 90 minus theta. See here, it's like this. See this, 30 and 60 are complementary because total is 90. So tan theta, tan 30 into tan 90 minus theta, tan 60 is what? Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 gets cancelled because this is 1 by root 3. It will get cancelled, and what will you get? That is 1. That's what the question is. That's what the point was. See, this is an example. Tan 30 into tan 60, 1 by root 3 into root 3 equals to 1. So tan theta equals to what now? This is an example. This has nothing to do with these angles. Tan theta equals to what now? H upon a by 2, because he is standing at the middle, exact middle. Okay, h upon a by 2. That is, solve this and you will get 2h upon a. Tan of 90 minus theta equals to what? 2h upon a by 2. Solve this, you will get 4h upon a, right? But what is, we have just now written tan theta into tan 90 minus theta equals to 1. Therefore 2h upon a into 4h upon a equals to 1. So 8h square equals to a square, right? Therefore h square equals to a square by 8. H equals to a upon root 8. Now root 8 is what? 2 root 2. 2 4s and 2 out. So a upon 2 root 2. So you can keep it as it is or solve this, rationalize this. You will get a root 2 upon 4, right? Check what the answer is in the exams and write it accordingly. Okay. Next, the shadow of a tower when the angle of elevation of a sun is 45 degrees is found to be 10 meters longer than when the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Same problem we have solved 1000 times. So we won't be wasting much time. See this, 45 degrees angle, shadow is 10 more, and 60 degrees angle, we don't know the shadow length, so it is lesser. Okay, then height is what? See here, 45 is, this is 45. 45 means both the sides are equal of the triangle, because this is